Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am back with our little makeup haul. I got quite a few stuff-ish. I just came back home from shopping at Kohls. I didn't get any like makeup or anything like that, but I did get some new earrings. They're like Christmas themed earrings, which I really love because they kind of look like a snowflake, and I also thought they the way they're shaped are like a cross, so that's why I got them. So yeah, that's my little weirdly getting some new Christmas like earrings since I got my ears pierced last year. But anyways, let's get into the stuff that I got. Okay, so I'm gonna start off the Target stuff that I got, which I went out a couple times. I got a lot of stuff at Target from the first time and only a couple things around the second time. But around the first time, I got this Maybelline the Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. Comes with some very nice neutral shades. Perfect for like natural looks or smoky eyes. Yeah. And I got this for hopefully one day I'll do some kind of, I forgot the Star Trek character's name from DS9. But I am gonna like use this for that tutorial because I've been getting into the whole Star Trek series thing. I have a Uhura. Did I say that name right? Uhura. I don't know, but I have that tutorial coming up, so get excited for that. And next thing I got some more foundation. I got my usual Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation in 102 Fair Porcelain, and I also got another one that Maybelline just came out, Super Stay Active Wear 30 Hour Wear foundation. I think this used to be the 24-hour wear, the 24-hour Super Stay foundation, but I think they might have changed their packaging now. So yeah, here's some new packaging, and I got this in shade Porcelain. And I got a couple more mascaras. I got my OG favorite one, the Rimmel and Scandalized mascara. And I picked up a new one. I only got two mascaras. And the new one I picked up that I wanted to try because I've been seeing this a lot on my favorite YouTubers, like in some of her videos. And it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and of course it's waterproof because I prefer waterproof. And I got another, just like a refill of the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in soft black. And I know my black hair is starting to fade. I don't know if you could tell. It's kind of starting to be a little bit orangey, not orangey, darkish, reddish, brown on camera with my lighting, but for no reason at times it kind of looks a little blackish. But I only got this because I do have a black wig that I got a couple months ago for my black haired tutorials. So yeah. And I also got some more Revlon stuff. I got the Revlon Kiss lip balms, which I had before. There's this old one I had for a while, the Fresh Strawberry, which I got again because the one I had for years like kind of smushed a little, so I got a new one. And I also got another shade, another shade or flavor, I don't know, probably shade, instant shade flavor, I don't know. Instant shade, oh my gosh, sweet cherry. So yeah. And around that time I got another set of false lashes from Ardell. And I got the wispy set, which I meant to use for, I wasn't sure which video I'm going to do next or what color I want to dye my hair next. I thought purple to look like Mal from Disney Descendants. And I got wispy lashes because I thought these were good enough to look like the lashes that she had on in Descendants. So yeah, and I also do use these in my upcoming Star Trek horror makeup tutorial. And wait, no, not Uhura. Thelma Kelly from Chicago. I used some of the Demi Wispy lashes I had for a while in my Uhura, I don't know, makeup tutorial. Okay. Anyways, and I didn't realize I was I don't know if I'm like running low, but on pencil liners, but I did get a 2-pack of LA Colors pencil liners a while ago, and the first one I opened up is kind of like running a little low-ish, so I got this 2-pack set of eyeliners from CoverGirl. Easy Breezy Brow Fillet. What? These were eyeliners. So yeah, I guess I got another brow pencil, I guess. I guess I just use these as eyeliners. No biggie. Okay, a couple more things I got at Target. I wasn't sure which purple hair dye I was gonna get. That was gonna give me that good Mal hair color that she had from the first movie, because that's what I wanted to recreate since my hair is in this length. And I did a poll on Influencer to see which like hair dye brand they wanted me to pick, and they picked this brand called Swarovski. I don't know. I'm just gonna say got to B, because that's what I've been saying in the polls a lot. And they did have some, but there was only 2, and both of the boxes were kind of beat up a little. So I went with my favorite hair dye brand, Garnier. This is the shade I picked, Dark Intense Violet, because I thought this, when I did the virtual try-on their website, I thought it looked so Mal. There was 3 other purples I really liked that kind of reminded me of Mal, but I thought this one was perfect. And my black hair is still like very slowly fading, like I mentioned. So I wanted to get this product another go as like my last try to see how I feel about it. More color oops, because when I did my Corella look a while back, I was having been trying to get this demi-permanent side of my hair out, and it's just, I thought I wasn't budging, but it kind of sort of was, just very, very slowly. But I'm gonna see what happens if I use this like for all of my head that's demi-permanent. So when I was at Target, I got another brow pencil for my blackish, brownish hair that I have currently. It was a Maybelline brow product, but I don't know what happened when I when we came back home, because I know I had it in the cards, but for some reason when I came back home, it wasn't with us. So one day, me and Dad and my sister went up to Walgreens. I don't know what for, and I ended up picking up I think this is the brow pencil I picked up. I don't remember. I just saw it said shade black brown and got it. But this is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil in shade black brown. Yeah, got that. And I also went to Kohls. Not the one I went to today, but a separate time from when I went to Kohls. I got the Lorac Pro Matte palettes. It's very small mini palettes. That's what it looks like. Get it out. This is how small it is. Oh, here are the shades. Very nice, and got a couple neutrals. And just yesterday I went to Burlington and Marshalls, and we also went to Ross, but I didn't get anything at Ross. But as me and Mom were out shopping, I had another VoxBox that was on the way from Influencer, and I was scared some porch pairs were gonna get to it, because this is a bad time to be like leaving packages outside, because like it's Christmas obviously and everybody's ordering online, and definitely high risk leaving packages outside unattended because of like I said, Porch Pirates. But yeah, I got another VoxBox from Influenster. It's another brand I've never tried, just like back in July with the Too Faced. I got a Tom Ford VoxBox. It's my first time trying out Tom Ford because I've never tried any of their products because they're so expensive. So this is exciting. And the product that they sent me was this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Blush and shade O2 Explicit Blush. This is what it looks like the packaging. And it's a little dirty because of my oily fingers. This is what it looks like on inside, and also the shade. So yeah, that's exciting that I got that in the mail yesterday, and I still want to know in the comments if you want to see a little explanation of what Influencer is and how it works and all that. Just let me know in the comments, even though I had like 2 VoxBoxes so far, but still, if you want like a little explanation video of how it works and all that, let me know in the comments. Okay, so I got a couple things at Burlington. I got this set from W7, the W7 Now Stunning, the Bare Essentials palette, Bare Essentials set. Sorry, I got thrown off by the eyeshadow palette in there. But anyways, it comes with the eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, and this mascara right here. And I got this because at first I was not going to get this, but also I noticed the eyeshadow palette was like a dupe for this Too Faced Born This Way palette, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's why I got it. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like, and here are all the shades. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you think this looks like a close enough or kind of an exact dupe to this Too Faced Born This Way eyeshadow palettes. Here's the eyeliner that came in the set. And now for the mascara, which is a really nice pink shade. And last thing I got at Burlington was a set of eyelashes from e.l.f. This is the Lux Lash Kit in Starstruck, because back in September the Emmys happened, and Isa Rae, I hope I said her name right, used all e.l.f. products for her makeup and all that, and I thought that was pretty cool because I've never seen much celebrities use like all drugstore products, or maybe at least some drugstore products in their beauty routine. I always thought they used high-end makeup like Chanel, Dior. But yeah, she used all e.l.f. products, and I wasn't sure which which fake eyelash she was using. All I saw was that it was that Lux Lash Kit in a bunch of letters and numbers. So I went with the only eyelash set that I had up there, which is Starstruck. And lastly, Marshalls. I saw this for a while there, and I just passed it up a couple times. So just never got it. But these are the Physicians Formula shade adjusters. We've got a lighter one and a darker one. The light one is supposed to like lighten up your foundation to match it to your skin tone, and the darker one is to darken your foundation to, like I said, match your skin tone. So yeah, it's supposed, light shade is to lighten up your foundation, dark one is supposed to darken up your foundation. And this was kind of unexpected for me. I found a mini setting spray bottle of the Cover FX High Performance setting spray. I still have the big bottle one that I got a while back. It's currently almost empty, so this was awesome that I found the mini version. Pretty sure I don't know if it's supposed to be like a sample size or travel size. Probably travel size. Anyways. And I found another Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss. And it's a different shade. I don't like some shade I had before. But this is the shade Celebrity. And I thought this was a hot pink color, but when I opened it, it looks more of a red. So I don't know if it's like a... I tried to describe this to my sister, and she said red with pink cubes. And lastly at Marshall's, I found this Nars Lip Gloss. This is the first time I ever tried a Nars, and this is their most popular shade, Orgasm. I know they have their popular Orgasm blush, which I don't have in my collection yet, but at least I have their popular Orgasm gloss. That's what it looks like. Very pretty pinky shade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup haul that I have. I thought this was gonna be another long one, which I was trying to make it not too long because I'm currently trying to I need to get dressed. I need to change after this and head up to church and all that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe. Comment below any other makeup tutorials you want me to do, and probably I guess what tutorials you want to see for this Tom Ford blush I have, especially in the shade which is Explicit Flush. I think I might use this in a holiday tutorial I have planned. I have so many Christmassy themed holiday tutorials, like silver and gold one, and maybe an updated version of some of the Christmas looks I did a few years back. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!